Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Fucking hell. This is sketchy as fuck, guys. There's probably loads of black ice out, so I'm not risking it. -2, but it's all fucking wet and icy. Oh man, I'm so paranoid because I haven't actually ridden in the snowy, icy weather for a very long while. It does look quite gritty over here though. I'm so paranoid. Oh my god, this is sketchy as fuck. I can see why people don't ride in this weather. Like, you can't see it, especially at night as well. It's harder. I am more likely to come off. There's loads more chance of black ice. I'd rather keep it straight, so if I fall off, I fall off. I fall off at the bike, not me, you know. As long as I stick to the main roads. I'd rather ride in snow. See, look at that, that's really icy, but there, 23 miles per hour. I'm really paranoid, especially because I got the laptop in my bag as well. Oh god, that's the bit I hate as well. I mean, look at that ice in the middle of the road as well. Oh god, this is paranoid like fuck. I wouldn't forgive myself if I drop it or slide into the oncoming traffic of the road. Like, you watch, I'll probably just end up doing that. Like, keys, just take your time. Go on, overtake me, mate. Thank you. I don't want to risk it. It's probably the worst fucking place I could go is down here. I'm so paranoid, I really am. And there's no lights down here either. If I come off down here, I'm fucked. So I really hope they fucking gritted the roads. You would think they would, so let's hope I don't die. Oh, we're looking 6:41. Set the... My eyes are fucking leaking. Really bad. Black ice wants you, will have you. Oh, look at it down here, like. Do they not grit down here? They obviously don't fucking grit down here, do they? Now I'm gonna have to watch out for the fucking lampposts.